In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a transaction in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward and can help you maintain an accurate and up-to-date financial record with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the banking module. Look over to the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard, where you'll find various options listed out. Go ahead and click on the banking module. This is the section where all your banking transactions are managed and organized. Once you're in the banking module, the next step is to select the appropriate bank account. Take a moment to find the bank account where the transaction in question was originally added. You'll see a list of your linked accounts. Simply click on the one that you are focusing on today. Now that you've selected your bank account, it's time to access the manually added transactions. In order to focus specifically on these, you need to click on the All Transactions tab, which is typically located near the top of your screen. This action will bring up a filtering option. Use the drop-down menu to filter the transactions by selecting Manually Added. This filter will help you narrow down the vast number of transactions to those you or someone in your organization has entered manually. With the list now properly filtered, it's time to delete the unwanted transaction. Carefully scroll through the list to locate the specific transaction you wish to remove. Check the details to ensure you're looking at the right one, because transactions are actual records of your financial activities, and accuracy is critical in bookkeeping. After you've confirmed the correct transaction, you will see a small delete icon next to it, usually depicted as a trash bin or similar symbol. Click on this icon to initiate the deletion process. Once you do this, Zoho Books will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions, so take this opportunity to double-check everything once more. Once you've verified everything, go ahead and confirm the deletion, and just like that, that transaction is removed from your records, leaving your financial data cleaner and more precise. Remember, maintaining up-to-date and accurate records is vital for your business's financial health. Deleting an incorrect entry such as a manually added transaction in Zoho Books is an important way to ensure that your bookkeeping is accurate and your business decisions are informed by reliable data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you in managing your Zoho Books account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Keep managing those books effectively, and see you in the next video.